मेल येयले आमकां कितें ब्लास्ट करता म्हणून.
ओके. सो कितल्यांक सुमार मेल येयली?
मेल एक्झॅक्ट टायम सकाळी आयज येयले नाल्यार आमी सकाळी चॅक केलें.
ओके
3:30 पयलीं भायर सरा नाजाल्यार ब्लास्ट करता अशें म्हणून.
ओके. तुमच्या ऑफिशियल ईमेल आयडीचेर
पयलीं एक आमकां ऑफिसान बार्देज ऑफिसाक येयल्ली तशें सेम मेल आतां आमकां केल्या. सो आमी पुलिसाक कळयलें. मेल धाडपी कोण मुप्पल लक्ष्मणराव @outlook.com थंयसर आसा.
तर केन्ना 3:30 ब्लास्ट कर
इवॅक्युएट बाय 3:30 PM म्हणून मेसेज येयलो.
तुम्ही सगळो स्टाफ भायर येयलो सर?
स्टाफ भायर काडलो.
सगळो फूल एंटायर?
PDSाक मला चॅक करता.
ओके. फूल एंटायर स्टाफ भायर काडलो न्ही?
We received a threat today around 11:30 that one of our additional collectors is under threat of a bomb. So we intimated the police and also the bomb squad, who came to the site immediately, and they verified everything in the premises and have given a go-ahead to operate. So we've resumed our functions, normal functions in the office. There is nothing to panic, nothing to worry about, so everybody can just normally function as usual. Thank you so much.
How the threat?
It was a mail to our office, and the same was communicated to the police.
So now it is safe to use the bomb squad.
Nothing suspicious found.
The bomb squad has verified and given us a go-ahead, so we can.
So nothing suspicious found in this building.
Nothing has been found. That's why they've given a go-ahead.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.